play the game Snaps, you need at least 2 players. One player is the snapper, and the other players are the receivers. If you're the snapper, choose the name of a famous person or character. Your job as the snapper is to spell out the name you choose using statements and snaps. For consonants, say a statement where the first letter of the first word is the same as the letter you're trying to spell out. For example, if the secret name you've chosen is George Washington and you're trying to spell out G, you could say, "Get ready." For vowels, snap your fingers. A is 1 snap, E is 2 snaps, I is 3 snaps, O is 4 snaps, and U is 5 snaps. So for George Washington, after you spell out G, you would snap twice for E. Then snap 4 times for O. If you're the receiver, your goal is to listen to the snapper's statements and snaps in order to figure out what letters they're spelling. Once you think you know the secret name they chose, guess out loud. Keep playing until the receivers guess the name or the snapper finishes spelling it out.